In this video, I decided to list the top 3 best home security system. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I tried to list them based on the price, quality, durability, performance and much more. So let's start. Hime Vision HM 241. Hime Vision HM 241 wireless security camera system let you watch over what you love from every angle, indoors and outdoors, day and night, rain or shine. Watch over your home in the crystal clear 1080p HD video, and see the visitors from anywhere. With instant motion detection and mobile alerts, you can see what is happening from your smartphone, tablet, and PC. Boost your home security with the Hime Vision security camera system. Save videos captured by your wireless cameras and review them at any time. Or you can share it with other family members. The IP cameras have been pre-matched to the NVR prior to chipping. No need to run video cable, actual plug and play, just need to connect the NVR and IP cameras with power supply. Wireless camera is different from wire-free camera, the power cable is still required to get electricity for 24/7 surveillance purposes. Wireless means that there is no video cable between cameras and NVR, easy to install. ZOZI 5MP Home Security Camera System. The 5.0 megapixel HD camera's built-in PIR sensor and IR LED lights. 50 feet night vision automatically activates when low light is detected, which allow you to see stunning clarity details even at night. Each camera with a 4.0mm megapixel lens and wide 100-degree viewing angle. High-quality plastic housing that can withstand the toughest of outdoor conditions. Highly sensitive PIR motion sensor with 30 feet distance offer almost no false alarms. No human movement can slip through without your notice. Help you always protect your home. The new H.265 Plus compression technology reduces video file sizes to save valuable hard drive space. And the Seagate Security hard drive is designed especially for continuous surveillance recording. With the new technology and certified hard drive, the system could set up 4 different recording mode: manual, schedule, motion detection and continuously. And the DVR also can be set to automatically overwrite the oldest internally stored footage, or you can transfer those video files by USB to a memory stick or external hard drive. Kangaroo Home Security System. Kangaroo's 5-piece kit is the perfect home security starter kit. Get alerts straight to your phone when doors or windows open or close, and if motion is detected while you're away. Alerts will also trigger your siren, too. Optional 24/7 professional monitoring is included free with your 3-month trial subscription to Kangaroo Complete. No commitment, and no hidden cancellation fees. You can self-monitor through our basic plan when your trial is up, or stick with Complete. We're sure you'll like it. Your free 3-month trial of our upgraded plan, Kangaroo Complete, includes Alexa integration, text and voice message alerts, professional monitoring and insurance discounts.